Let's do some simple examples of dividing decimals. Here we have 17.8 divided by 4. So we set up our long division, 17.8 on the inside, divided by 4. Our divisor is on the outside. And here 4 goes into 17 4 times to get 16. We have a 1 left over. The decimal point comes down, or it doesn't need to come down here, but it needs to go up there. So let's drop the 8 down. 4 goes into 18 4 times again. You get 16 and you get 2. And so because there's something else that goes down here, we have to carry that extra 0. 4 goes into 25 times, and then that's the end of that. So our result here is 4.45. In our second example, we have 35 divided by 0.4 here. In this example, your dividend is 35 and your divisor is 0.4. Now, because the 0.4 is your divisor, you want to move that decimal point 1 over. And since you move the decimal point 1 over, you would need to move the decimal point for the dividend, the first number, 1 over as well. If there's a decimal point on the left of the 3, you move it 1 over, so it becomes a 3.5. But here there's no decimal point, so we assume that 35 is a whole number, which means the decimal point is right here. Moving that 1 over would generate a 0 in the ones place. So now instead of having 35, you have 350. And the decimal over here, we can put that on later, but it's better to just put it on now. The decimal point would go over here, so the 3 becomes in the hundredths place, the 5 is in the tenths, and the 0 is in the ones place. So now it's 4 divided by 350. Let's perform the long division. 4 goes into 35 8 times to get 32. That's a 3 left over, bring down the 0. 4 goes into 37 times to get 28. And another 2 left over, so here we want to generate another 0, drop that 0 down. 4 goes into 25 times, and that is the end of that. So your result is 87.5, or 87 5/10.